Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to ask Firefox to never remember history on Windows 11 or 10 PC. By default, Firefox remembers your browsing, downloading, form and search history, and in case you want to configure Firefox not to save this one history, first open Firefox browser on your Windows PC. Then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner and select settings in the drop down menu. In the left sidebar of Firefox settings, select this one option, privacy and security. On the right, scroll down to this one history section and click on this one Firefox build drop down menu and select here never remember history option. Then you need to click on this one restart Firefox now button. This will reopen Firefox browser and it will from now onwards it will not remember your browsing, forms history, downloads history and search history on your Firefox browser in Windows 11 or 10 PC.